Evening all, welcome to another Play Chess Com Banter Blitz. It's quite ironic actually, we checked out a Fritz video against Leela Chess earlier on the channel. So in case you didn't know, ChessBase do the Fritz chess engine. But anyway, okay, let's try a bullet game to start off with. Test the old intuition, test my intuition with a bullet game. I'm hoping sound and visuals is okay. Oh, this guy's quicker than me. That's a shame. I have to get the pre-moves in. Catching up on the clock a bit. Maybe c4. Oh, I've caught up on the clock a bit, as you can see, but there's some issues here to address, I believe. Maybe I can play d4. Maybe d5 is interesting. So d5. Can I get it to play c4? Okay, I'm well up on the clock. Oh, that might have been a mistake. Okay, hold on. No, hang on. I've got bishop f5. Let's take this. Oh, this looks good. Bang. For knight b6. Here we go. Alright. So I'm 21.30 here on bullets. 21.30. I think consistency is key. I can't afford to lose any if I want my rating to go up. Consistency is key, I believe. Oh, this isn't too hot, is it? What he's doing there to me. Oh, I don't want to weaken with g6, you know. I don't like his lurking bishop. Oh, I've just given up h5. I'm cracking. Cracking a bit. Heal the pawn structure. Up on the clock, if I insert a few pre-moves, just to get a bit higher on the clock, get a bit better situation on the clock. Heal the pawn structure, yep. Undermine the pawn chain. c5, b4. Uh-oh. It's going to trap my rook. Hold on. Oh, he's got an outside pass pawn. That's a shame. Hold on. Can I try and mate his king? Oh, I've given up d6. Try and mate his king. Uh-oh. Losing a key pawn. No! Try and mate his king. Mate! These guys are quite good, aren't they? Alright. Bang. Castle greenside. Knight c4. Okay, no, this guy's not bad. It's not bad. It's solid, isn't it? He's better than his rating. It's solid. Don't like it. It's solid. He's solid. Not so much now. Rook on the 7th. Pre-move knight e5. Rook on the 7th. Double rooks. Stop a3. Double the rooks. Ah! Stop c3. No a-pawn mobility. Cut down the a-pawn mobility. Rook on the 7th. Pig on the 7th. Controlling f5. Controlling f5. Two pigs on the 7th. Knight g5 handy. h4 handy. b5 past pawn. b6. b6, then two pigs on the 7th. Take this. Two pigs. Better than one. b7, rook c8. b7 and rook c8. Alright, cool. What is the best opening against the King's Engine attack? Well, I've got one pet system. You take on e4, you play e5, knight c6, bishop c5, a5, that thing. If they finish hitting the bishop, I think that's okay for black sometimes. King's Engine attack. Anyone else for a bullet game at this time? Come on, I want to boost my bullet rating. Come on. 2140 something. 2141. I don't like this line. Oh, he's got me with this one, hasn't he? This is a critical test. Oh no. I've been stuffed, haven't I, out of the opening. I'm getting stuffed out of the opening. Oh, don't like this. Ah, hang on, stop the mates. Don't like this. Hit the bishop. Does he take there? Bishop d6. I thought I was getting stuffed out of the opening. Queen f7. The queen's off. Pawn pawn. Okay. Distract from h4. What has he got? d4. d4. He's got d4. Oh, I can take him rook h8. There's just no. There's no rook h8. What am I talking about? Ah, hallucination now. Okay, they're a bit slow. Yeah, no, I didn't like that line. That line was horrible. Huh? $2149. Can I make it to 2200? I would have to play very consistently, I believe. Journey to 2200. Is it possible? Bishop e6, queen b6. Maybe not. Exchange queens. I think d4 is vulnerable here. d5, bishop e6. Okay. Maybe knight b4 is interesting. We'll just pressure over here. Oh, rook here. Hang on. Oh, he's not going to make me with queen h4, is he? Is that dangerous? Hold on a sec. Oh, this looks awkward. Let's not panic. So he's getting the pawns. There is bishop to d5, maybe. Right, hit both rooks. I'm still hitting one of the rooks. Hitting one of the rooks. Hit this guy. Double check. Okay. Will I be analysing? Yeah, I think I will be analysing the World Championship. I usually do. Sometimes even stream. I'm not sure if I'm streaming, but I definitely have a go at analysing games. So I hope you've all enjoyed the Leela chess games as much as me. It's like masterpieces after masterpieces after masterpieces, I think, some of these games. Maybe knight b5 is interesting. Soon. Knight b5. Round about here. So I'm threatening rook c6 and knight a7, potentially. Check. Take here. Double the rooks on c7. Oh, that's a bit unfortunate. Oh, I could have taken that. Okay. Hit the rook. Okay, threaten queen e4. Okay, protect. I have to protect again. Oh, it's getting me on the defensive. This is not fair. What did I do? What did I do? Deserve this. He's put me on the defensive. How do I get out of this? Intriguing. Oh, there's a bit of a bind. I don't get out of this, do I? I just went on time here. Yeah, I don't get out of that bind. He had a bind there. Let's play Albin counter Gambit. Or not. That would have been terrible. Alright, that was interesting. What about e5? Okay, bit of a gambit. Surely I've got enough pressure here to justify. I've got a lot of pieces being developed to justify at the moment. He is pretty quick. Maybe king f8 g7. a6 and then e4. I think a6 and then I think Leela would crush me when she gets trained up. The time to play Leela is when there's a new network like reset, and then Leela's not so hot when there's a new network reset. So I think that's the time to beat Leela. Okay. Okay. The result of this game's not showing, is it? Wow. Okay. Play Vienna game. Oh, this is going to the main line, is it? Don't mind this. It's a key Andrew Hong game in this. I covered once. Lloyd's Bet Masters. Andrew Hong game.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, it's a little bit on the dangerous side, is it? Oh, check to win the queen. Oh, that's what I'm threatening now. Check to win the queen. So I was threatening that. Okay, it's lost. I'm losing. I've lost the exchange. Oh, this is starting to get scary. Okay, exchange bishops. Knight f7. Still forking. Okay. Alright, excellent. Alright, what's the rating now? It's I'll tell you what it is soon. 215 something. Can I get to 2200? And the same people though. Aborting. We'll check. This is D4 is being well timed, is that? He's not sacking, is he? Oh, he is. Danger. Okay. Oh, there was knight check. I had knight check as well. So, am I dead or dead? Okay, that's nice. Dead or dead? Nice. In capitals as well. Ah, right. A6 is a target. Maybe I play Queen A1. Oh, I should play something. My turn. Structurally bad. That might be a mistake. Yes, that's definitely a mistake, isn't it? He had been going. He had been going, this guy. Alright, he had been going for a bit. I thought I was getting worse. Probably safe. Safe is the one that I can say that. Surely. Strengthen the center. Bang. Queen A1. Queen A1 next. Win an exchange. Now he's pretty quick. He's only 5 seconds behind this guy. Pretty quick. Oh. Getting attacked, huh? He's got that check or something. Oh. Check. Remove this because this is check. Can't miss that option. Oh. Could attack the knight. It's cracked. It's cracked. Alright. Okay. Oh, we could have taken C5. Oh, this can't be sound. Can it? I'll stop the use of G5. Hit B2, friend Queen E3. Hit the queen. Hit the queen again. No respite for the wicked. Hit the queen again. Oh, he has got a check on F4. Protects E5. I think I need to use the F file. Was it maybe bishop C6 and E4? Oh, he's got pressure on F6 here. Oh, this could be troublesome. Oh. He's got pressure on my F6 and also covering quite nastily things. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Silly. Rookie one. Checkmate. Oh, getting a bit dodgy. D4 for D5. Bishop F6 coming up. Or Queen E3 maybe. Hang on a sec. Oh, Queen A7 threatens Queen A8. Knight B6. I guess Bishop E3 for Knight B6. Let's see what he does here. Check. Take. Take. Might be 4. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. Can we get someone else to play? Okay. Charles M37. This is scary, this Queen D5. What is it about? What is that about? Right. H6 and F5. Hang on, maybe Bishop H6 coming out. F5. Or Knight D4 would have been. Maybe not. This is Queen going. Actually, let's pin this guy. Pin this guy. Maybe D4 here. Maybe Bishop D7 C6. Right, so what am I achieving? What's wrong with Rook G2 anyway? This knight's a bit of a monster. Can I put the bishop back? Oh, and there's Bishop A6 here. This is scary. Oh, I just dropped the bishop. Oh, Muppets. Come on, pay attention. Pay attention. I lost focus there. Getting a bit scared, losing focus. Messed up so bad. Time, I think. Oh no! I blundered. I lost the plot. I lost the plot. I was thinking positionally. You know, bishop over here. I lost the plot. I wasn't thinking tactically. I was thinking kind of positionally to reposition the bishop. Play this Gambit here for A4 Bishop A3. It's a John Watson recommendation, I believe. Haven't played it that much in Bullet. Trying to disrupt castling. That's compensation. Disrupt that king. F4. Queen E2. Or D takes. Okay, it's another pawn dropping if I'm not careful. How comes... Am I down on the clock? I'm down on the clock. That's the scary thing here. I'm like I'm 13 seconds down on the clock. I got to start pre-moving. Uh-oh. This guy's quick. No, just blundered the bishop. Oh, that was sad. Oh. Stomach. Oh man, I got done over. I got done over. I can't believe it. On bullet, but it's a stalemate. I got a stalemate there. I just felt uneasy because I was like 12 seconds down on the clock. I was trying to pre-move, but it wasn't very good. Then I blundered that bishop. I started to feel uneasy in that game with the clock situation. Bishop, queen b4. Okay, I'll castle. I feel more comfortable with, yeah, obviously a slight edge on the clock, like here, a slight edge on the clock, a bit less panicky. He gets this bishop, does it matter? He's not really okay. It's locking down a bit. Oh, again, this is not so easy. Until here, to here. D6. Okay, okay. Knight f3 for bishop c4. It's a good move, isn't it? You can double my pawns, but I can try and castle queenside, I think. Ah! Now he's getting me a bit worried about what he's doing. What is he doing here? What is he doing? C4, bishop b4, end of game. He's pinning my queen there. Got to be careful around about here. Can I take? I'm weakening my dark squares. Is this? I don't know if this looks loose. Right, queen. Oh, rook g6 or queen g6. Queen g6. Alright, knight f5 or something quick. Knight f5. Where does he go to attack me? Oh, queen a4. Oh, it's queen b1. This isn't very convincing, is it? Okay. Yeah, the one higher rated really gave me a shock. The 1900 there gave me a shock. Why no form pawns? I'll try and get them, but it's not every time you can get them, is it? I assume that was bishop c4 from the arrow. This should be a good grip on the dark squares. Oh, maybe my king's getting misplaced. Okay, he's waiting for queen g6 if I castled. Very naughty. e4. a6 and e4. g4 maybe. Oh, this looks good for queen h3 coming up. Oh, why don't I just give that one away? Queen h2. Okay. Okay, yeah, I just thought I'd play some Bullet this week. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thanks. Yeah, one fun, 10 boring. So maybe see some of you guys next week. I just wanted a bit of Bullet. This been doing too much analysis, too much serious analysis on Leela games, but I hope that's fun for you, the Leela games. It's more rewarding. This big video earlier today, the 30-minute one. So I've broken all the YouTube rules of engagements because I needed to do the analysis. You know, you're supposed to do videos generally, you know, less than 15 minutes, but I thought it was a really interesting game if you want to check that out from this morning on the Kingscrusher channel. So anyway, yeah, so maybe see you next week. Thanks so much.